Hey guys, and welcome to this video on how to brew our Native Happiness tea from Roogenic. If you know what it's like to live a really busy lifestyle, you know how easy it is to get overwhelmed. If you have trouble staying creative, staying focused, or avoiding getting an anxious mind, then this tea blend could be perfect for you. Designed with native plants that have traditionally been used to help ease and relax an anxious mind, the tea blend also incorporates other plants that have been recognized for their ability to boost mood and help promote a healthy mind too. So let's get down to it and learn how to brew this gorgeous tea. To brew our Native Happiness tea, all we're going to do is take our little infuser, we have them available on our website, and add a teaspoon of our Native Happiness tea in our little pot. Put our lid back on. And then we're going to place it in our little teapot. If you have an infuser at home, you can use whatever you have and put it straight into a cup, and add 500 mils of boiling water. You can smell the mango, it's absolutely fruity and gorgeous, and we're going to let that steep for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, you can drink it as a hot tea or put it in the fridge to have as your water intake for the next day. Otherwise, make sure you don't throw away your tea leaves just yet. After the first brew, just set them aside because you can use them a second time and get 1 litre with every heaped teaspoon of the Native Happiness tea. We hope you enjoy this fruity, delicious tea blend, guys, and it brings you lots of happiness.